I think we certainly will be seeing more stringent measures implemented by the government after Emmanuel Macron makes that statement to the nation at 8 p.m. tonight. We've already heard today from Anne Hidalgo, the mayor of Paris, saying that parks within the city will be closed in the coming days. This perhaps after we saw plenty of images yesterday of people going out to enjoy the good weather, socializing in parks, given that cafes and restaurants are closed. Now, in terms of the measures we expect to hear from the French president tonight, we have no confirmation as to what they might be, but we do expect it to be something similar to what we've seen in the past couple of days in Italy, in Spain and in Germany, where people's movement is drastically restricted. We expect people to be told to stay at home unless it is imperative that you leave, to go out and get food, for example, to go to get medicines, or to go to work if it is completely impossible for you to work from home. There may be, again, this is unconfirmed, but there may be a curfew placed on people saying that you can't leave your home after 6 o'clock in the evening. There may even be fines for people who are seen to be very clearly flouting those regulations put in place by the government. This clearly, as the government has been sounding the alarm within the last 24 hours that things are getting worse here in France. 900 additional cases were reported just within the last 24 hours alone. So the government saying they want to take this very seriously and they want the public to know this is something that is spreading and they need to take individual action to protect themselves and to protect the wider French public.
And Nadia, what's it like in Paris right now? What's the atmosphere like?
You know, it is extremely quiet here in Paris, actually, it has to be said. I took the metro to where I am here, just outside the Élysée Palace in the centre of Paris, and going on metro lines that are normally crammed with people in the morning. Every station was deserted. Of course, as I mentioned, restaurants and cafes are closed. And the ones that are opened, bakeries, for example, they're employing a one-in, one-out policy. That means that there are long queues going all the way down the streets, many people making sure to keep around a metre distance between others as they queue. People clearly quite nervous. You're seeing lots of people walking around carrying basic food items, carrying toilet paper. And there is perhaps a sense of resilience here in the capital as well, although it should be noted, not unlike in Italy, there is a sense that lots of people are on the move out of the French capital as much as they can, driving to the countryside if they have that opportunity, as we saw in Italy before it was clear there was going to be a bigger shutdown there. And that's something we're expecting to see more of after Emmanuel Macron makes that statement at 8 o'clock tonight, where, as I say, we are expecting more drastic measures to be announced by the French president.